Okay then, let's do this. It is time to do Birmingham International once again. We've got about 25 minutes for this one, so let's see how we go. And we will kick off with 220027 and 221138, working 1 mic 38, running 10 minutes late with the 1243 cross-country service, departing at 12:54 from Southampton Central to Manchester Piccadilly. Arriving in next for Avanti West Coast will be 390 010, I believe. Yeah. Arriving in next for Avanti will be 390 010, working 1 Bravo 41 and the 1258 Avanti West Coast service from Wolverhampton to London Euston. And this should depart on time at 12:08, bound for Euston. So, as 158836 and 158822 head out working 1 Delta 11 and the 1308 Transport for Wales service from Birmingham International to Chester, we should also see 730 005 terminate with 2 Indigo 54 from Rugeley Trent Valley, both at 1308. So as these sprinters head out, as the 7:30 arrives, that will be me done at International, just given that I only came for a quick session out here. And yeah, this should depart, and then once that 7:30 arrives, that will be us done. But first, let's listen to some sprinter thrash. Alright, these have got the signal now. Okay then, and as that heads out, time for me to get on 7:30 005, and that is a good session at Birmingham International done.